15 ekigumire abataka kugatunga
kubera abatishoboye bamwe bari kuranirwa kuja kuvoma urukuba ari kuja kuvoma n'ubundi gitangiye kugera ku 1500 kubera amazi make ari kuza kandi mu mategeko ikidoro kigura shilingi 50 kiba barengeje kikagura 100 so none haraho bari kugurira 100 abari kuba bayaguze shilingi 100 bari kuyagurisha 1500 kubera amazi ari make Ligusaba nyabuna engineer ubishinzwe amazi yankanka kugira ngo agerageza twoherereze kandi ejo buri navuye mu office yabo vuganaho na Pitsoni chokora bohereza make na nubo mvugira amazi ntayo
yagumiza muyashobora ku agereze gamba n'ekitongore cy'amezi ecya National Water and Sewage Corporation district ya Kisoro kureba okuba kubasa kuyamba abaturage bakabihereza amezi
ngiye kureba ababishinzwe amazi murayabona niho ndi gusabira ubuyobozi ubundi kugira ngo budufashe ku mazi yankanka bongereho ugiye kureba za Gasovu nka za Karambi nahe ko nta nagatapu nakamwe so aba bantu barabonabonye na nubundi amazi basa nk'abari kuyakura mu cuho n'imodoka zatangiye kuzana none nyabuna ndi kubasaba kugira ngo badufashe iyi government ya Uganda yacu ni government nziza kugira ngo amazi akwirwe hose
David Munyanganizi uri mutaka kurugumpa ishe ya Gitenderi yashobora kubaheza sandibero batine mezi ngo bahati abana tubakiza amashomero bagenda ingendo ndengwa kutunga mezi omwe bargayo batagatungire bagumirwa kutunga gukoze za uniform otereho no kunaba ikiretire binji barga kushoma
ku mazi turateganye cyane uko aba bana bari kukubwira ni ngombwa ejo ndo baraja kushura bitewe no kubura amazi yo gukaraba kuko n'abasubiye mu rugo nta mazi ni ikikwereka none barayabona he ejo nuko ndo baraja gusoma so turabaye cyane kubw'amazi kuko izuba ryavuye so amazi gari ndigari kuboneka ubwo rero twakoreshaga amazi ari kuva muri nkanga Nonayo mazi
Abel Bizimana chairman w'intebe ya katano aba district ya Kisoro yashaba amagombora gatine mizi kugira kugumisiriza kugira ngo agambireho no mwana Peter Aruho urumaneje w'ikitongore cy'amezi mu district ya Kisoro biti yamushobora ku pampu ekwereza egomboro ya Nyarusizi hamwe na Muramba amezi yatungira ubuzubu ngo bahati Elione korwa.
It has come to my notice that people of Nyarusiza, Muramba, and part of Rwaramba, plus Chanika are not getting water. And the challenge is, according to the manager of National Water and Sewage Corporation, the faults in the electro wiring of the inside of the pumping station. So the challenge is not many. So power is reaching there, but the problem is how to distribute the power into the pumping system. The manager has told me that after fast, they are busy working on that program. After fast, they will have finished the wiring. And you know, this is the pumping station of Kanka, which came and mitigated the problems we had. It used to be very hard this time to have water, but after Kanka.
Gashakwa Adonia Teire, Sky TV, again shown.